I don't have to go through down this hatch any more than I have to. So we're gonna go ahead and remount this ladder. This is the hard part here. I'll match myself. All right. Okay. There we go. That'll work. Careful on these rooftops. Got way below freezing last night, so it's definitely going to be some slippery exploits. So been a pretty beautiful winter thus far here in the Carolinas. Definitely didn't take it for granted. Alright, so first thing I noticed here, we got a pretty badly blown fuse. Looking like we might have a short somewhere. Definitely. Let's see here. Let's just check voltage on everything. 209, that's good. Make sure we got our 24 volts coming out. Oh, hold on. Got 0 volts coming out. The transformer, first transformer here, second transformer, nothing. Let's take the primary then. Huh. 208 going in. 208 going in both primaries. So at that point, I'm thinking both these transformers are shot. Something must have killed the transformer. So what we're gonna do, let me pull them real quick. Yeah, that's good. Let's go ahead and pop these suckers out of here. I like to check, so I'll check the secondary, seeing that's where we, let's check our actual resistance here. 1.2 ohms. 1.2 ohms. Let's check the resistance on the primary. Open. But strangely enough, the primary is actually open. So it's like maybe something surged out. Huh. And that's on 2. Alright, so let me just go grab some transformers real quick. I've got the replacement transformers here. This is a 208 system, so I'm going to be using the orange, the red, and the white. Red and white. And as you can see, that's for common is white, red is 208. So we'll do that. Let's check the windings on these. So we got 53 ohms for our primary and our secondary. 0.7, 0.6. Check this one as well. Secondary 0.7. And go between red and white. 53. Let's go ahead and get these suckers mounted in here then. We're up. Not 100% what could have caused that failure. But we'll be finding out here shortly. Dual failure. I'm going to go ahead and do here. Wire up our high voltage, red and white. That base out here. Hands freezing. Snip. And snip. Okay. Do yellow and blue here. Try not to keep sniffling and whining, but it is cold out here, man. Got up this morning, it was about 26 degrees. So blue, yellow. Let's hit that blue. And everything. What I gotta do now is my short finder tool here. Make sure there's no other shorts existing. More than likely there are. Alright, let's go ahead and fire up. Yeah, blew something else.